My name is Dominic. This lovely afternoon, I'm going to make you a lovely cocktail refreshing, which is called Zambezi Sparkling, which is made of the cucumber cordial and a little bit of the sparkling soda and a garnish of lemon and a little bit of mint. So to start with, I'm going to start with the ice. Okay, then I'll get my cucumbers cordial. Okay, here we go. Put it on the side. Then I'm going to get the sparkling. Yeah. Okay. Okay, then I'll get my garnish now. Okay. Get my garnish. Okay. Get like this. Some. Okay, so we'll start with this. These are cucumber, just to add more because we're on the celebration of cucumber. Add like this. Okay, look for a lovely mint here. Okay, then here is a lovely sparkling cucumber, which is made along the Zambezi River. Thank you so much, please enjoy.